from Drutter. This is the silver chart, which looks almost identical to the gold chart over the past couple weeks. The drop from 28 to 22 in 2 trading sessions obviously is here, and we've been hugging the 23 level ever since. I think it's the, what is it, the 9th day now since this? So we've had well over a week of perfectly sideways action, almost no volatility whatsoever. It's almost like someone painted a straight flat line, and it just, in comparison to this drop, it looks like almost no volatility whatsoever. But what I actually want to talk about is... The Gold Eagle is the world's most popular and well-recognized gold bullion coin, and an excellent gauge of the demand for gold by the average citizen. The U.S. Mint publishes their sales data for this coin and updates regularly, including today, April 24th, 2013. Here's the current month's data so far, showing number of ounces of full ounce, half ounce, quarter ounce, and 10th ounce coins. Recall that recently, and the link is below, the U.S. Mint had to halt sales of the 10th ounce gold eagles due to unprecedented demand. They had sold 8,500 ounces worth so far in the month. Remember that number. Now consider the total ounces sold so far, over 196,000. To estimate where the total will be when the month ends, we can multiply by 30 and divide by 24. This estimates the total number of ounces of gold eagles sold this month to be 245,000. But how does that amount of gold compare to previous months in the data? Is 245,000 ounces a lot? Only 2 other months even come close. May 2010 is the first, but we've already surpassed it as of today. December 2009 is the only other contender, with 232,000. Not far from our estimated 245,000 this month. But is that number even legitimate? Nope. Notice how December's numbers dwarf all the other months in the year, even January? That's because the Mint held off reporting sales data for the half ounce, quarter ounce, and 10th ounce coins all year and put them all on December's totals. Notice how they sold an entire year's worth of 10th ounce coins in 1 month? We already know they had to halt sales of that coin this month with less than 9,000 ounces produced. 27,000 isn't possible. Further evidence, the December total is, well, total BS. But even if it were legit, it looks like we're going to cleanly beat it anyhow. Investment demand for gold eagles has never been higher than it is this month. Not only that, but each time the Mint puts out new numbers, it shows demand is increasing every day. It's quite likely that demand by the average citizen for gold hasn't been as high as it is today since it was demonetized. I believe the cat's out of the bag.